Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday. What is it? May 15th. Almost half of May's already gone. Amazing. Yeah, the highs and lows yesterday was awesome. Day before yesterday was awesome, and then little bitty 83. Hey, that's fine. And we're off to 334. One sale so far since midnight. I just sent out a private listing to a potential buyer interested in a whole bunch of airplane cards. So that would hopefully, I just sent it. Had just messaged me, so hopefully that'll come in. And it's like $2 a card, which is again fine. It'll be a $100 order. Hopefully they take it. Got to get them out of the house, right? Anyway, so we have 10 orders going out for only $72. Hopefully, again, that one order pops in. And a lot of airplane cards this morning. Wouldn't it be nice if they were all $800 days? Why can't they be $800 days? Oh, well. Just keep listing. I worked in the basement. I'm pretty much ready to go for the HVAC on Monday. Of course, Monday, 97. It's going to be 97 Monday and Tuesday. So that's gonna kind of suck for the workers because they have to do obviously the outside unit. I got to punch a new hole in the side of my house. So yeah, it's gonna suck. So hopefully I can get it all done in one day. Yeah. Anyway, so 2 airplane going out to that one person. They bought a postcard of an airplane in U31 or U30, I should say. Did they buy? I sent them another offer. Yeah, it doesn't look like they were interested in it. Newly listed card, I had already sent out like a 20% offer, and they were like, "How low can you go?" And it's like, I just listed it, so the lowest I can go. Took another 5% off, and doesn't look like they were interested. I gave them 30% off of this one, so maybe 30 would have done it. I am my own barrier to good sales, maybe. What's this one? Chesapeake Beach. Beachy town in Maryland. Used to pick these up all the time. I've kind of weaned myself off of buying them. But if I found it in a quarter box, I would still make the purchase. Make sure this is the 100%. Oh, why is that so small? There it is. Yeah, same one. It has that little smudge on the back. Might have been old tape. I'm not quite sure. How were your sales yesterday? This won't be a long video. And I promise it just won't be. I don't have that much going out. And I don't have really much else to talk about. There will be no morning video Monday because they're going to be in and out. And I don't want to be doing a video with people walking around, so I won't do a video Monday. Tuesday we'll wait and see. Hopefully they're done Monday. Tuesday I might be melted if they don't have it done. AG28. Do have a Whatnot show Saturday at 8. Probably do 5 to 8 flat rate boxes. Just trying to get those out of the house too. Yeah, trying to do a lot of things. AG28. Yeah, I really got nothing today. The highs and lows of reselling, you think I would come up with a whole bunch of highs and lows, but I don't. What's this one? This is Benefed Biddeford, Maine. Life-saving station. Went through the boxes of shred yesterday. There were bank statements back to 98. 98. Why? And they're, probably, yeah, see that right there? Yeah, those boxes are going to the shred. There's a shred truck, community shred event on Saturday. It's our little town does like a like all yard sale type. What is they call it Walkersville Days? I guess it's celebrating. I don't know when the town was incorporated or what. I'm not. I might walk around, but I got so much yet to do around the house. All the little honeydew lists and I really don't need anything. I'm not going to go buy shoes. The chances, I've been to a lot of yard sales before, and the chances of people having postcards is probably pretty slim. I could go get that card. No, yeah, that card's on another shelf. Ran out of room, so I moved boxes to another shelving unit. I had a message last week or earlier this week that someone wanted. Yeah, I think was it an auction? It might have even been an auction. I had Yellowstone card, and it was one of the better ones. And had it at a certain price, and a person contacted me, said my prices were too high and that I needed to sell it to him, and he threw out a really low ball offer and wanted free shipping and blah 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 blah. And I looked at his profile, and he sells Haynes Yellowstone cards for top money. And I'm like, dude, F off. I said, try your BS with a less experienced seller, because you sell these two, you know what they're worth. So I was getting ready to say I don't block a whole bunch of people, but his BS kind of pissed me off, so I did block him. Let's see if that private listing looks like it did. Yeah, so that's going to jump up to probably 172 here. Boom, 180. Something else maybe sold. So, yep, I got to put together that listing, or that pulled all those cards. Luckily, it's the card that I found out was numbered, a limited edition. He wanted them all. He was the one who bought the 6, and he wanted them all. I was like, hey, you know what? Fine. They've been sitting there for a while, so you can have them. Okay, so real quick, next weekend, Boston, Mass, New England Postcard Club and Postcard Show, and then the following week up in Jersey, and then Texas into June, whole bunch of beginning of June. So I may go to this one. I'm undecided at this time. So get to a Postcard Show. And also I have the Bill of Flat Rate tomorrow. I will probably, then the next one is June 20th. There'll be another show in here, probably Pounders, but I will schedule another show. I just haven't gotten around to it. So that'll be coming up. And then also next Thursday, the 21st, 8 o'clock, if you're a member, you can come and we'll talk. We'll do a live stream. And if you're not a member, membership's below. Join to ask me deep postcard knowledge and then cancel. Pretty easy. So everybody, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember, no show Tuesday or Monday, and I hopefully will be back Tuesday. So have a great weekend. Hope your sales are terrific, and hope your picking is plentiful. Oh, I like that. Have a good day. Bye.